Y'all run us up. Y'all run us up.
This is when they met. This is when it happens.
This is my founder, my agency founder.
And you rushed him so quick.
I appreciate y'all. I do. I'm really trying to have a PK.
So creepy.
What you saying? Hold on, we about to open this gift, y'all. I got a whole mess, y'all. I just came back from the hospital, so I got a whole mess on my hands. I ain't gonna much lie. Let's see what this is about. This is birthday gift. This is what he got for his birthday.
Ew.
When was his birthday?
Huh?
When was his birthday? What, 12?
I don't even know if I should say it. His birthday.
You're good.
His birthday was a couple days ago.
Alright, bet.
Oh, look, he with it, y'all. This for you, buddy. Look, y'all, look what you got.
Here he is.
Yeah.
He hungry.
Yeah.